doing?
I'm exposing you to Johnny. Yes, Papa. We're gonna watch Johnny. Okay, ready?
Why is it so much bigger than him? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I by myself am baking a cake.
Bitch.
We're not really gonna do it by scratch.
Yeah.
Because we have cake mix, so it's not really a real cake, and we also have frosting pre-made. So.
Oh, you're making cupcakes.
Oh, you wanna make cupcakes?
Oh, I guess we can make cake.
Oh my god, what if we did like a loaf of cake?
Cake bread.
Break.
Today we're making a break. What if it like explodes or something?
Okay, explode. The only thing, it just might not cook all the way through.
We love a gooey sister. It's okay.
Exactly. Okay, let's get dark.
We have best yet confetti cake. We're the best yet. Moist and tasty. Just like me. No, I'm just kidding.
And we have this thing.
That looks like a meatloaf tin. Let's rip this baby open.
Yeah, let's get started.
I don't know, maybe. That's the first part.
Now we have to add all of the other ingredients. Cholesterol. Oh my god.
Oh my god, cholesterol.
Oh my god, cholesterol. Okay.
It's so soft. How am I supposed to get outside?
Look at that coverage.
Oh yeah, I'm a baking professional. Oh,
Better
buttery.
coverage than Geico. That's okay.
Okay.
Send it. Oops. Okay, let's clean this baby up. Here, ready? Flour challenge. So, first step done, we buttered the pan and put flour on it.
Now we get to mix it.
Water. The water? Comment down below if you say water or not water. Not sponsored.
Non-spons. Hashtag ad.
Wait, let me get it close. No, I didn't get it. No, I didn't get it close up. I didn't get
Well, you overfilled it, so I didn't want to spill it on your floor.
Okay. Oh, 3 egg whites.
And where's your eggs?
Gone. Eggloids.
Can you push my scrunchie down? Oh yeah. It's a shoulder scrunch. Baby shark. We just have to
Get in the frame.
we just have to
Mix it?
yeah.
Whoa! I think that's good.
Is it really? Is it really good?
It looks moistened to me. Pour batter into pan immediately. do now is stick that baby in the oven. Thumbnail. Wait, it's going like a little bit in the middle. I'll leave that in the video just so it's awkward for them to watch. Thumbnail. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for has now arrived. Oh, so I asked you guys to ask me questions, so I can answer them in this video. So the first question is the story of the Gopis. Kenna asked the questions. The Gopis, do you know what they are? Mm-hmm. Okay. So basically, one day I was with my friend Evan and Kenna. You saw them if you watched the first day of school vlog.
Don't be a
you know, and we were just chilling out in my backyard and we found so many caterpillars. I don't know how we came across the name Gopis, but we did. And that's what we called them. And we took a little like Tupperware thing and put all of them inside of that thing. And one of my friends, Angelo, was there with us, and he had a headache, so we went into my room to take a nap. We tried to prank him, and basically he woke up, and we told him that we threw all of the Gopis in his bed, and he got really mad at us, and flipped all of the mattresses and unplugged everything inside my room.
This happened a long time ago and I wasn't there, but I was talking to him about it the other day and he's still mad. Just saying.
What's the story?
What is your background?
It's basically a turkey with a Bratz doll head in it. I'll insert a picture so you guys know what it is. Okay. Next question. Asked by the one and only Robbie Boneless. You know him, right? Yes, yeah. He asked me to tell the world the story of how I used to hate him, but now we love each other dearly. The story is, he's dating one of my best friends. Whenever I saw him, he never wore a belt. He would just use shoelaces. And I thought that was kind of really stupid. So I hated him for that. And then I got over it. And he's like super funny. And now we love each other. Olivia asked me, what is my favorite softball memory? One time my coach yelled at me.
What's your favorite memory getting yelled at?
So I was in the outfield, I was playing left field. Me and the center fielder were playing catch, and my coach yelled at me. She was like, just screaming about how we needed to be farther apart, but Aiden was telling me what to do because, you know, I never played left field before, and the center fielder was trying to help me out. So then I didn't know what to do when I was playing in left field, and then I also got yelled at for not knowing because the center fielder couldn't tell me what to do because I got yelled at. So Evan asked, is water wet? We currently have this debate I've been
over this, Evan.
So we're gonna settle it right now, and the answer is yes, it is wet.
Water is not wet. Not settled.
Evan also asked, is baloney real or just a scary campfire story? What are your thoughts?
I have encountered some baloney in my life, but I'm really unsure if it was just my imagination or if it was real.
I feel like my mind plays tricks on me a lot, so I feel like it's not real, it's just a campfire.
And you know, like those things where they say, like, if you stare at your face in a mirror for like long enough, your brain starts to play tricks on you. So like maybe I was just like really tired and I was just like, oh my god, this is baloney here.
yeah, no, it's actually, yeah. I feel like that's happened to me plenty of times. Elizabeth Gianna, I think, you know.
Oh my god, Liz!
She asked, what do you want to be when you grow up?
This.
This. I want to be baloney. I just want to be happy, you know? Next question. Asked by Angelo. Why do cucumber...
Cucumber.
Why do cucumber seeds feel hard and soft at the same time? It's because the outside is hard and the inside soft.
I thought it was opposite. The outside is soft, the inside is hard.
Really?
Yeah.
Emma asked, what are your real thoughts on Emma? Here we go. Well, I love Emma. We were, I don't know, we were like
I'm 5.
And we were, you know, being little savages, playing a quick little game of croquet.
Without the mallets?
Yeah, we took the mallet part off because it like screwed off, so we took that off.
Use the sticks.
We're so good at it, why not? So I was like, you know, Emma, hit it hard, like send that thing, right?
Yeah. And I was like,
Emma,
okay.
Emma takes it, right? She has her thing, and she goes above her head.
I didn't know you were behind me.
and you know, she hits it. But when she's coming around, she comes back and like scrapes my eyebrow. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a scar right there. She cut my eyebrow open. You can see my skull, and I got stitches for it. Who would you want to switch places with from school and why? And that was asked by Ashley Back. I don't know. I don't want to switch places with anybody.
I know, I like me.
Like, I feel like I'm good where I am.
If anything, I'd probably want to switch places with Stosh to see why he hates me so much.
I love Stosh, but
yeah,
I don't see him that I don't see him that often. Yeah, he's one of the original tribe members.
Yeah, like so. It's literally like Yumi, Catherine, and him. Like,
yeah,
that's like our group.
That was the squad back in the day.
Yeah.
I'll insert a picture of us in a tent.
Yeah, I know that picture.
Oh my god. Brooke asked, is the S or C silent in scent? Like SCENT?
It's the S that's silent. Because if you think of like change,
that's what I was thinking.
CENT.
Right. Yeah, so I think the S is silent because there's no word. Actually, no, because scent, like if you scent something.
God, yeah.
Oh, that's tricky. The C.
I don't think that either of them are silent. I think they just work together. Because like, I feel like they probably had the word scent, S-E-N-T, and scent, C-A-E-N-T, and then they like, we need another word, so just put them together.
Comment down below. Comment down below your thoughts on any of these questions. That's it.
All right.
And we have about 2 minutes until the cake comes out of the oven. So
okay, so
we will get back to you when the cake is out.
We could have a jam sesh.
Oh my god, we could.
Yeah.
World is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Pablo, my name's Tyrone. I'm Uniqua.
This car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why it's greased lightning? Fuel injection color, chrome plated rod,
And I'm losing control, cause I need a man. And my heart is set on you. Love will be you're the Is that the musical?
We're filming a video.
Skylar!
Hi.
Hi!
This is
Say hi to
Skylar.
the video.
Oh, I love myself. What's your favorite type of cheese?
Cheese.
Yeah, I don't like cheese, so I was just wondering if you guys are cheese fans.
Oh, you know I'm a cheese fan.
I'm kind of lactose intolerant.
My favorite cheese is string.
I like cubed cheese.
I like sprinkled cheese.
Shredded. What's your favorite cheese?
I don't like cheese.
If you had to choose one.
American.
Wait, if you go to like McDonald's, you get a burger, not cheeseburger?
No, I get a cheeseburger.
What do you do with the cheese?
Eat it.
You're a liar.
But no, like I
No.
cheese. Like I'll eat it on things like mac and cheese and like pasta. But I don't do cheese.
Isn't pasta with cheese the same as mac and cheese?
Okay, bye.
Okay, goodbye. Bye, Skylar. I love you. Hi. Claire's in the bathroom, and I was supposed to be watching the videos that we recorded so far, but I messed it up, and I almost deleted part of the video, so we're not gonna try and do that. Welcome back to my channel, ASMR. It's done.
Speaking of maybe we should have flipped it over.
I'm gonna be so proud of us. Okay.
ASMR. Here we go. Ready for the finished product. Why would you put them on that side? We have the sushi on that side. Happy birthday to Claire. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to yeah.
Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. This again is our final product. We really tried really hard on it.
I know, I think it's even better than a treehouse.
This came out so much better than we expected, honestly. And that's the tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What should they never stop doing?
Grinding.
There it is, folks. Have a lovely day. And
So
yeah.